Hi, I'm Bram, and I'm from BalanceBox from the Netherlands. So right here, we have something called the eBox, and it's actually a height adjustable mount to move your panel up and down. And this one can go in a horizontal and in a vertical position. Let me quickly share it to you. And with this new product, there are no cables needed. So everything is on battery. So for example, when you're at a museum or something at a stadium or something where you need to have like something for a pop-up, you don't need any cables. You can just ride it anywhere you'd like. Just turn on the panel, choose your own height, choose to be it flat, horizontal or vertical, it doesn't matter. And you're good to go. So for information, just go to height-adjustable-mounts.com, and then there you can find all our information that's necessary for this. Thank you.